Good morning, mga kamapa at mga kabilyar. On behalf of MAPA, I am Eric Salud, and we are very excited to introduce to you the MAPA web-based app called MAPA SALI or the MAPA Sali. Now, the MAPA Sali has two meanings. One is MAPA Sali, no? To join or to be enjoined. And the second meaning, which is the more important one, is the acronym SALI, which means the Standardized Amateur Leveling Integrator. This is a 10-year in the making na idea ng MAPA. During that time, hindi masyado importante or hindi masyado makabuluhan na mag-integrate ng leveling system dahil magkakakilala naman tayo. Pero ngayon, sa dami po ng mga bilyaran, ng organization na nabubuo sa amateur scene, napapanahon na po na i-integrate po natin para hindi ho tayo nahihirapan na magsisali sa iba-ibang venue. This is just an introduction. This website or this app is very beta version. No? This will be improved, but we want to introduce this to you, and it's already functional. We will introduce it to you in 4 parts. Okay, the 4 parts of the MAPA Sali. So this is the opening dashboard or the opening page for regular viewers. The member search page. The first part is the partners area, this yellow one. Dito po yung mga members natin na may mga negosyo, professional sila, or service provider kayo, you can get in touch with us. We can post your information. These are clickable. You can click on the yellow area to get a larger view of the apps. Now, these are the sponsors of MAPA from last year's major tournament. So, yan po example lang. And you can click on these. No? For example, itong halimbawa itong Puyat Sports. You can click on it, lalabas po siya. Okay? And exit. So, lahat po yan clickable. Basta may web link kayo or social media link, we can put that in. Okay, back to main menu. The second area of this app is the special events area. Okay, as a sample, we have shown the MAPA WTAs. Click po natin. These are also clickable. No? If you click on the larger area, lalaki po yung mga icons. And click on the event itself. For example, ito. Okay, we go to the MAPA page. Back po natin. And the upcoming Honin Cup. Okay. Ayan po siya as a sample. Back to main menu. Now, the third area, nasa login page po siya. Ayan. Ito po ang login page or the login front page, no? When you type in www.mapa-sali.com, you go to this area. You can sign up as a new member dito sa yellow area po. If you click on this, it goes to a sign up form. Fill in as much as you can. Very optional po yung mga sensitive information natin. But fill in as much as you can so that we get to know you, your birthday, of course, full name, last name, your affiliations, your primary affiliation, your role doon sa, or yung inyong position doon sa primary affiliation na yon. And you also have the option of adding 2 more. And then your current player rating. Of course, this is not guaranteed. No, we will still evaluate this. Pero doon sa affiliation nyo, kung ano bang rating ninyo. Kung alam nyo, kung wala, approximate nyo na lang. And then emergency contact, birthday, optional. But we'd like to know your birthday kahit wala na pong year. So the birthday, kahit wala ng year, or ibahin nyo na lang year, month and day na lang, so we can compile your birthdays and greet you. organization address, website, social media account, etc., and then submit. And then this goes to the admin who will evaluate it. Mabalikan ko lang po pala, no? Ito pong mga sa ating new member sign up, the organizations may drop down menu po yan. Piliin nyo po yung kung nandito na sa drop down menu yung inyong organization, piliin nyo po. Kung wala po, you can type it. No problem. Okay? Desired role, member, etc. You can also type it as well as the organization 2 and 3. Current player rating drop down din po yan. Kung sa phone nyo yan tinitignan, may lalabas pong drop down or paganyan kasi sa phone pa horizontal. So piliin nyo po. Here you cannot type it. Okay, you have to choose. Alright. You have to choose your skill level. Or kung alam nyo na. Kung hindi naman, approximate to wala. Kasi anyway, for evaluation naman ho yan. So, balik ko tayo sa ating Mapasali dashboard. So, we go to member search. This is the most important part of the Mapasali. The Sali database search. Okay. Dito po, we've inputted or uploaded the members who joined the last major tournament in 2025. So, nandito po siya sa mapa area. We took the liberty and I'm sure it's okay and sana okay lang, no? We took the liberty of putting in the other organizations who are affiliates of MAPA who use the MAPA rating and please we will post the MAPA page for the Mapasali. Please message us for corrections. Check your name kung nandyan. Please message us if you want to add more information in there. I'll gladly do it. Change anything. Now I took the liberty of adding a second or third affiliation. Of course, lahat nandun sa MAPA kasi yan po yung mga sumali last major tournament. So nagkaroon ng population po yung ibang organizations po dito. If you click here on MAPA, lalabas po yung members, okay? And if I click on halimbawa si somebody familiar, ayan, si Aaron Abad, no? QCBA, player rating 3.5, role, board member, not sure, no? So we can close that. May directory rin, okay? But we will talk about more of this in the part 2. Okay, introduction lang to, but this is very functional. So if you go back to the Sali database search, you can go to the search name. Halimbawa ako, Eric. As soon as I start writing my name, yung mga sa database na may katulad po ng letra or hawig sa pangalan, lalabas na po yan. So maraming Eric Amores, Eric Llamas, Eric Sundal Villar, Derek, etc. Eric Dignos. Eric Salud, punta po tayo dito. Organization affiliation is MAPA, role is auditor, player rating. Okay? And then merong rating date. And then there's an active status. Itong active status po na to, importante po ito. Because in the Our Partners area, when you go to Our Partners and try to claim or to try to avail the privileges of a MAPA member or an affiliate of Mapasali, you have to show that you are an active member. Ibig sabihin, nagbayad ka siguro ng monthly dues nyo or annual dues nyo or active lang kayo, it's okay. So, we can clear that out. We go back to the organizations and pool hall affiliations, no? Currently, nilagyan ko muna ng 16 total organizations and 296 members. Of course, dadami po ito. Please message us doon sa, we will post here the Mapasali FB page and the email address is on the about. So if you click the about, andito siya. At the end, you have the email address. This is all free, of course. if you are going to be adding your club, or you're interested in adding your club to this integrator, we can come to you and screen your members. Of course, there's a fee, because we have to go there and everything. But ang wala hong bayad, if you want your members to be screened, you can go to the MAPA WTAs every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturdays at the Makati Super Bowl, Puyat Sports. And we will screen your members there. So sali po kayo, we will screen them. Okay, part 3 of this series, we will explain to you what MAPA is developing an objective rating system. I will also tell you the history of the leveling system coming from the 80s, sa PBAM days, down to MAPA and other helpful individuals who have developed this rating system throughout the years to what it is now. We'll give you the history para familiar kayo, alam nyo, naintindihan nyo, na-appreciate ninyo. We are coming out with an objective way, an 85% objective way of rating, and of course a 15% subjective experiential rating system, so that anybody who is probably trained by MAPA to use that objective system can rate their members on their own and have something objective, no? 85%. Kasi so far puro gut feel yan eh. Comparison of alam nating mga players, and then we rate them, but we can make a mistake. This is very subjective. Ito pong ating dine-develop na to ay hindi ho silver bullet. It is not a absolute solution, but it is very close, or we would really like to be close to fair, no? Also, in this database area, pag-aralan nyo, no, in-upload po namin yung MAPA 9-ball handicapping matrix. You can save that and you use it in your competitions, no? 9-ball, 10-ball rotation, and then the 8-ball. It is an introduction video of the 4 parts of the MAPA Sali. We will be going into part 2, which will go more in depth into paano ba yung our partners area, how do you join that, special events, and then yung how to get yourself affiliated to this so that you can so that yung tournaments nyo, no, fair ang rating, and people who will join na hindi nyo kilala, you can ask them, nasa MAPA Sali ba kayo? So you can search their database. You can search the database and double check their rating system or their rating. You can go to the Sali database search and search their names. So, ayun. www, kahit wala na yung tatlong W, it's mapa-sali.com, mappa-sali.com. Puntahan nyo po yan. Check nyo po yung database is working now. Kulang-kulang siya, of course, no? We have just uploaded the ones that joined last 2005 Major Tournament, so kulang-kulang pa yan. And I'm sure marami kayong questions and inputs, so please do so. Muli, ang inyong lingkod, Eric Salud, on behalf of MAPA, nagsasabi, kung gusto nyong gumaling, simulan nyo sa tamang rating. See you in part 2. Thank you.